Playful Rewards app review. The Playful Reward app lets users earn gift cards and cash by playing games and doing surveys. While it's not an outright scam, many users report reliability issues. On the plus side, some users have successfully cashed out rewards like PayPal money or gift cards, sometimes within a day. It also has a decent user base with over 8,000 downloads and a 4.5 rating on Play Store. However, common complaints include tasks not being tracked properly, missing rewards, delayed payment, sometimes weeks, and accounts being flagged, preventing cash outs. Customer support is often unresponsive or slow. If you want reliable alternatives, try apps like Fetch Rewards, earn points by scanning receipts, Rakuten, cashback on online shopping, or Ibotta, cashback on groceries and retails. In summary, Play for Reward is not a scam but has serious reliability issues. If you use it, proceed carefully, keep track of your activity, expect delays, and don't count on steady income. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.